Welcome back, everybody, or welcome if you're new. Today we're going to be canning grape juice. This is a real easy canning recipe. All you'll need is grapes, sugar, and water. We picked these grapes a couple days ago. I de-stemmed them, washed them real good, and now we're going to put them in the jars. Okay, what you do, just put a cup of grapes, a half a cup of sugar, and then some hot water to half an inch headspace. Debubble. Wipe the rim of your jar, put on the lid and a ring, fingertip tight, and put it in your canner. I'll get the rest of these jarred up. Okay, got 7 jars in here. I'm going to do 7 more after this. And then the rest of the grapes, I'm going to be doing another canning project. Be looking for that. But I'm going to bring this up to a boil and process it for 20 minutes. And then we'll be back. And there you have it, grape juice. That's going to be pretty on the shelves. This here is from the red grapes. It turns like a pink color. And then the purple grapes. When you want a jar of this, all you got to do is strain out the grapes and drink it as is. And then you want to wait about 2 weeks at least. The longer the better. Over a month would be the best. And then as long as it sets after that, it'll be even better. I want to thank y'all for watching. I hope you have a blessed day and come back and see us.